Hello, it's Mike. We're just going to have a quick look at some disk cleaning options on Windows. Now the first thing to do is press the Windows and the R key together to get the run box up, and then type DFRGUI and then click OK. And here it shows you what type of drive you've got. If you've got a solid state drive, then don't run a defrag on it, because it can cause problems. If you've got an older machine and it doesn't have a solid state drive in, then you should be fine to run defrag. So search in Windows for CMD command prompt and run as administrator. Once that's opened up, if you do want to run a defrag, type defrag and then the drive letter and then click enter. As I've got a solid state drive, I won't do that. To run Windows Cleaner, type clean MGR and then press enter, and this should open up the Windows Cleaner box. There we go. And then you can select the options that you'd like to clean up and click OK, and then that will run through the program and just clean up the files. There's also storage sense. What this does, it calculates how much space you've got on your machine, and you can configure it to run automatically. So during load disk space, how often you want it to run, if you want it to delete files in your downloads folder, and also OneDrive files. If OneDrive downloads a lot of files to your computer, so what you can do is get this to push the files back to the cloud so they're no longer stored on your computer, and if you need to access them, you just open them again and it will download and open. If you configure that to run at regular intervals, it will keep your space free. And then another option, the Windows Disk Cleaner, as we've just seen, if you open up File Explorer, go to this PC, right click on Properties on the right click on the drive and then go to Properties and then click on Disk Cleanup. This will also open up the disk cleanup that we've just seen, and then you click on Clean Up System Files and again it'll go to the same. And then you can just select what options you want to clean up and then click OK. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe.